Well, hello everybody, welcome back. Today I am doing a review on the hydrogen water bottle by MOVOCA. MOVOCA? Okay. They sent me this for my evaluation. First of all, very, very well made. This is glass, okay? And what happens is you fill this up with tap water. You fill it up to that line right there, okay? And then you push that button right there, and you're going to start to see some colors here, and then you're going to see these bubbles. Well, this is turning your tap water into alkaline water, which has a lot of benefits. All right, takes about 3 minutes. All right, it's been 3 minutes, and there's no colors there, so that means it's done. Unscrew this. That's good water. Okay. Now, what's really cool about this is that when you're done drinking the water, you fill it back up with tap water. Hold that button for 3 seconds, and it will self-clean. Love it. All right. And it's a USB rechargeable, and it comes with cord. So, and if you want, you can put a straw up there. So there it is. If you're a person who works out a lot, does hiking, want to take care of themselves, maybe you should try some hydrogen water with the hydrogen water bottle from MOVOCA. All right. So yeah, I like it. All right. That's my opinion. That's just my opinion. All right. And like I said before, it's a very well made glass bottle, so it's easy to clean and all of that good stuff. So all right, there you have it.